Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Lincoln Corsair. First, ensure your vehicle is powered on, but the engine is not running. You will use the directional buttons and the OK button located on the left side of your steering wheel to navigate through the menus on your instrument cluster display. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete. Now, let's get to the Oil Life menu. Using the down arrow on your steering wheel controls, scroll through the main menu options displayed on your instrument cluster. Keep pressing down until you see the Settings option. Once Settings is highlighted, press the OK button, which is typically the right arrow or the center button, to enter this menu and proceed to the next step. Once you are in the Settings menu, continue to scroll down using the directional pad until you locate the Oil Life option. This is where you will find the current status of your engine oil. After highlighting Oil Life, press the right arrow or OK button to select it. The display will then show you the current percentage of your remaining oil life. To finalize the reset, press and hold the right arrow or OK button on your steering wheel controls. You will need to hold this button for a few seconds. Keep holding it until the instrument cluster display shows that the oil life has been reset to 100%. Once it reaches 100%, you can release the button and your oil life reset is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.